Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off music on Ninja Jump. So let's get started. First of all, open the Ninja Jump app on your device. Wait until the game gets loaded. Next, you can find gear icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it and then select the music button. Then tap on the cross icon and that's it. This is how you can turn off music on Ninja Jump. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another video.